The Go Pro Recruiting Challenge, one day only. Saturday, August 26th, the biggest recruiting training event in network marketing history, and I want all of you to attend. I want you to be a part of this special event on August 26th. Why recruiting? Why is that such a big deal? We can go sell, we can share our products, but if we can't build a team, we don't really get the leverage and the scale that network marketing offers. If you've struggled with recruiting, if you feel like you've done okay, but you could do better, or if you're okay with recruiting, but your team is struggling, this event is for you and every single person on your team. In one day, we're going to show you live right here from Worre Studios here in Las Vegas, in person for a few of you, virtually broadcast around the world, interactive with the rest of you, how to find prospects, unlimited prospects, how to pivot those personal conversations to business conversations, how to present what you have and educate people on the opportunity that is available to them and help them make a decision to get involved. Not just by accident, not just one here or there, but teach you how to be able to recruit on demand. How valuable would that be? Let me ask you this. If you were able to recruit 10 new business builders in the next 30 or 60 days, what would that do to increasing your business? Would you rank advance? Would you earn some money? Would your confidence go up? Would the example that you give to the team be a better example? I think the answer is yes. Now, what if everybody on your team could do the same thing? What if they could learn the skills necessary to get past their fears and into action? What if they could change the limiting beliefs? What if they could find prospects without stressing out about it? What if they had the tools to be able to be a recruiting machine? That's what this is all about. One day to be able to change everything. I want you to make sure that you're part of this one-day recruiting challenge, this training event. I want you to make sure every person that you care about in network marketing is a part of it. People are going to be connected from over 100 countries around the world, watching this live, participating live, because I want to create the biggest boom in network marketing history, the biggest growth in network marketing history. It's going to begin on Saturday, August 26th. And with the challenge and the information and the training, you're going to be able to take that information and go out there and tell the world. Go out there and build bigger teams. September, October, November, close this year amazing and set yourself up for an amazing 2024. So join me and the best recruiters on planet Earth inside of network marketing for this one-day event. I promise you, you're going to be glad that you did. Either click the link connected to this video or go to mygoprochallenge.com. mygoprochallenge.com. Learn all the information, get yourself registered, and I'll see you there.